Welcome to Remote by GitLab, our first ever event focused on empowering remote work. I'm Darren Murph, head of remote here at GitLab, and I'm delighted that you've joined us. Today, you'll learn from an extraordinary lineup of speakers across industries as they share trials and tribulations on remote at scale. Remote work is woven into the very fabric of GitLab, and our co-founder and CEO, Sid Sijbrandij, will share a bit of the history there, as well as explain why we believe so deeply in the power of remote work. We believe that remote at scale will define not only the future of work, but the future of living. Our amazing lineup of speakers will share their own tactics to growing and evolving both mindsets and mechanisms. Our code of conduct is linked in the registration page, and we encourage all of you to engage thoughtfully and generously with GitLab's 6 core values in mind. Those are collaboration, results, efficiency, DIB, that's diversity, inclusion, and belonging, iteration, and transparency. Feel free to click around the virtual platform throughout the day. On the left-hand side, you'll see a flag that says live when a stage or other session is streaming. Be sure to visit the activity zone for fun and engaging content, while the networking area will allow you to connect one-on-one with other attendees. The incomparable DJ Graffiti has the bass cranked up, so let's dive in and discuss making remote work.